力の真髄をな。見せてもらうぞカカロット。俺は今日こそあかんよ。
Now we have this.
You, Namekian, too strong! Explain now!
He fused with Kami so we could become stronger.
It's the Kami! Basically God, but I'm still here!
Do you really believe your own hype that much?
I am the hype!
Captain, I think I caught you naked. There are not more players that this hell's packing. No, Timmy, that...
Imagine my shock to see the undeniable proof, to discover that no matter how hard I tried, I would never be able to catch you, a warrior prince forever living in the shadow of a low-level clown.
Vegeta, I don't understand. You've never allowed anyone to help me before in your life. Why start now?
Because I wanted him to reawaken the evil in my heart. I wanted him to return me to the way I was before. I was the perfect warrior, cold and ruthless. I lived by my strength alone, uninhibited by foolish emotion. But slowly, over the years, I became one of you. My quest for greatness gradually giving way to this life of mediocrity. I awoke one day to find that I had settled down, formed a family. I had even grown quite fond of them. Would you believe? I started to think the Earth was a nice place to live. You understand now, Kakarot? That's why I needed Babidi to set me free by releasing the evil in my heart. He has freed me of these petty attachments. Is that supposed to be insulting? You say I'm arrogant, I say damn right. That's pride. Pride in the Saiyan I am. The mighty prince of the ultimate warrior race. Impossible to defeat you! Don't make me laugh! I won't surrender control! That's not the man I am! Let Kakarot use his thoughtless ultra instinct all he wants, but I'm the one who's going to crush you, Kieran! And I'll do it my way! I know!
I'm Super